Okay, so to do a treble decrease, what we're going to do is yarn over twice, just like for a regular treble crochet, and we're going to insert our hook into our next stitch and pull up a loop, and then we're going to work to the very last step. So yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over, pull through the second two, and then stop here. Then we're going to yarn over 2 times again, and we're going to go into our next stitch. So we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're going to work off 2 at a time. So pull through the first two, pull through the second two, and then we have 3 loops left. The 1 loop of our first treble, 1 loop of our second treble, in our original loop. So we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through all 3. Just point your hook down, you'll slide through nice and easy, and now you've turned 2 treble crochets into 1. Again, yarn over twice, insert your hook into your next stitch, pull up a loop, work off 2, work off 2, stop there, yarn over twice, insert into your next stitch, pull up a loop, work off 2, work off 2, and now we're going to get rid of all 3 by yarning over and pulling through. So this works also for treble 3 together, 4 together, or however many stitches. You're just going to work up to that last step of your treble and head to your next stitch that you need to combine. So that is the super fast stitch refresher for treble 2 together, or treble 3 together, or treble decrease, whatever you want to call it. If you need a more slower, in-depth video, check out my treble decreasing videos, and thank you for watching.